In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an order on Costco online for the year 25 step by step. First, make your way to the Costco website. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and typing in Costco.com, where you will be welcomed by their homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the categories listed at the top of the page. You'll see various sections like electronics, groceries, and more to explore. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on satisfying your sweet tooth. Hover over or click on the category labeled Bakery and Desserts. This will bring up a tempting assortment of items Costco has to offer, from cakes to pastries and cookies. Within this section, you're going to want to search for the delicious David's Cookies Brownie and Cookie Combo Pack. This product is quite popular and loved for its delightful mix of treats. When you find it, go ahead and click on it to get more details. On the product page, you'll learn all the specifics you need to know about these goodies, such as ingredients, nutritional facts, and product reviews. Now, if you've decided that this combo pack is a must-have, it's time to add it to your shopping cart. Look for the Add button, typically highlighted to catch your attention. Giving it a click will place the item into your virtual shopping cart. A quick tip here is to check the quantity before adding if you're planning on buying more than one pack. That way, you won't have to double back later. After adding it to the cart, a notification or a small pop-up window might prompt you to view your cart. It's always a good idea to review the items you're purchasing before proceeding, just to make sure everything looks right. So when you're ready, navigate to your cart by clicking on View Cart. Here, you can double-check the item selection and make any final adjustments. Once everything in your cart is correct and you're satisfied, it's time for the exciting part, checking out. To proceed with your purchase, locate and click on the Checkout button. This will guide you to the checkout process, where you can enter your shipping and payment information. Ensure all necessary details are accurate, and once completed, confirm your order. And there you have it. You've successfully placed an order on Costco online. Thank you for tuning into this guide, and enjoy your treats when they arrive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more how-to guides. See you next time.